Paul Ciano, my subject for this project. First, I'll start off with a series of questions. Where are we standing, Paul?
We are standing in front of the former Starbucks that was here up until about a week and a half ago and has since closed.
And you are a frequent customer?
Indeed I was. Came almost every morning for my Earl Grey tea.
And why would you come here?
Well, the variety of tea is better. The quality of the tea is certainly better than any place around here, unless I'm making it at home with loose leaf tea. So the quality was better, and the clientele, the people that work here actually know you. So that when you come in, they know what you want, they know how you like it, and the tea at least, I can't speak for the coffee, but the tea at least is as cheap, if not cheaper, than Dunkin' Donuts, and it's better quality.
Can you recall any Starbucks advertisements you've seen in the past on TV, heard on the radio, or seen in print or online?
I've certainly heard a lot of ads on the radio for Starbucks. Not so much on TV, but you see some stuff for the iced coffee and things like that. But again, it's not stuff I drink. It was more because of my experience with Starbucks.
Have you received any mail or email correspondence from Starbucks recently?
No, none at all.
Were you aware of any promotions from Starbucks that were ongoing?
Yes, Starbucks had a breakfast promotion where you could get a hot beverage and a breakfast item, and I think it was for $3.49, and that had been running for the past few months anyway.
Tell me about your last experience at this Starbucks.
Well, I was nicknamed Earl by one of the baristas because I always ordered Earl Grey tea. So when I came in the day they closed, she screamed out Earl and said, "This is a sad day for us, Earl." And I said, "Indeed, it is a sad day for us because now I have nowhere to get my tea." So she had my tea waiting for me. She knew how I liked it. And that's the other thing about Starbucks is I can, they make the tea black and I put in what I want. It's, I make it to my specifications, not some random specification.